Hello guys, my name is CJ and this is Freelancing Upstairs. This video is all about how to do color floor plans using AutoCAD and Photoshop workflow. Welcome to my channel, and so let's start this video. So let's open my AutoCAD. Let's open the start file. So meron tayong template start file that we can use. So let's open this. So this is the template that I use for the creating of floor plan. So this is in imperial unit. So this will be in inches, but you can convert it to meters or metric. Just type negative DWG units and then enter. So choose you can choose number 3 or 6 for millimeters. Okay, so for now, for this video, I will just use imperial unit. Once we open the template or the start file for the floor plan to create the floor plan, you'll just do or apply this template. So for this project, ito yung nagawa ko na. So papakita ko na lang sa iyo yung nagawang floor plan. So you can check this if you have the template, but okay. So once you're done with the floor plan and then the other stuff, so in summary, ang gagawin natin is we'll just create this floor plan in using this template. Once you are done doing the floor plan, all you have to do is save this to PDF. Save the floor plan to PDF. So I have here the plot. Okay. I usually use the layout or paper space to plot the floor into PDF. So this size is in I think letter size. Once you are done with the doing the AutoCAD or the floor plans in AutoCAD, we should save the PDF not as a whole floor plan, because we will use or we will create layers for each type of layers that we need to create. So the layers that we need are text, dim, roof, hatch, CAD 1, CAD 2, and deck. So CAD 1 is just the walls, and CAD 2 is the doors, the parts where you should show it, and not you should show the lines accordingly, because it needs to be shown above the materials that we will be putting on the for example the materials. So as you can see, these are the hidden lines and the doors. Okay, so there once you're done with the floor plan, you should this is what we're gonna do. We will isolate these layers one by one. Each isolation, once we isolate each one, we should we should plot it to PDF to save and save it. Okay, so for example, this text, just click isolate, and then let's plot this, and then wait lang. Let me find first the plot style or the CTB file. So we'll just use this floor plan CTV. So apply. So we should plot this drawing to PDF, and then letter size, and then window, center to plot, and then one the scale is 1:1. Okay, portrait, and then preview. Okay, so this is the text layers. So we should save this as for now. Let's save this text. Okay, and then once you're done with the text, just click and isolate, and then just do the same with the rest. Okay, so this one has no dimensions. Okay, so just ignore this dim. So roof, we will do this later on once we are once we are doing the roof or the site plan, which is this one. Okay, so hatch, isolate. Okay, hatch. Okay, or you can also use file name walls. Okay, so unisolate again, and then CAD1, isolate CAD1, enter, preview. Okay, plot, CAD1. Okay, unisolate again, and then CAD2, Control P, save as CAD2. Okay, and then unisolate. If you have a deck, okay, there is a deck. So again, plot deck. Okay, so once you are done, next is the site plan. Okay, just repeat the process. Okay, Control P. Oops, floor plan. Apply. Okay, let's create a new folder for site plan. So site, text, text again, and then isolate, roof. Okay, roof. Name this to roof. Okay, and then I unisolate, hatch. Let's see kung may hatch. So wala. CAD1. Okay, CAD1 again, and then CAD2. Okay, CAD 2, and then isolate, and then deck. Okay, so okay, deck there. And then once you're done with plotting the layers, so it's already done. There you go. So we have the CAD 1, CAD 2, deck, hatch, and text for the floor plan. So next what we'll do is go to Photoshop. So this is the Photoshop template, PSD template that we're going to use. So as you can see, there are already layers here. What we call this, the rectangle is we will use this for putting text behind text to show in order for us to show the text. So you can makikita natin to once we're doing the floor plan or side plan. And then the roof, this is for the side plan. So you can see the layers here. So roof light, okay, as you can see, this you can change the color of this, but we can for this video we'll just retain the light yellow and dark or the more darker yellow roof color. And then the roof, we will also use this gray color when we'll doing the some maybe deck or something. And then the roof light is the skylight. We will use this mostly for skylights. Okay. And then trees, we have these types of trees. Okay, you can just read these trees. And then the cars, we have the minivan and sedan car. And then flowers, so this just use this. You can also change this plants if you want. So unit colors, we will not use this because it is meant to be used for other type of floor plan. And then the color in this means we will use these materials inside the floor plan. Okay, so there is a seating, sauna, cabinets. So later on you will see how I will use these materials. Okay, and then color out is for the outside of the property or the floor plan. Okay, and then back is for the background, just the background, because to make the floor plan or the background not transparent, okay, or blank like a PNG. Okay, let's start. So to start the floor plan in Photoshop, we'll just select these PDFs and then drag to Photoshop and then click here. No, sorry. We'll just open this CAD 1 first. Okay, so just open this in Photoshop, just drag and then drop here. Not here, not here, not here, just here. Okay, so we'll just save this as like this, and then always choose this as bounding box. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay, and then click OK. Oh, I'm wrong. Okay, let's repeat. I think it's I think it's media box. Okay. So click OK. Okay. So next is okay, you will need to open also the template. Okay, and then once you are inside the CAD file, open these other PDFs inside the Photoshop. So drag here. This time you will need to drag here. Okay, so always media box, always media box. So click OK, and then click check. Okay, just click enter and enter. The reason why we choose media box is para pantay-pantay na agad siya once we open the PDF inside the Photoshop. Okay, so makikita nyo, ayan na siya, kompleto na siya. Pero ang kagandahan is naka layer. So rename this to CAD1. So dapat pauuna tong CAD1. Okay, at sa taas yung text, and then hatch. So ang pagkakasunod-sunod niya dapat is like this one. So text, dim, roof, hatch, CAD1, CAD2 deck. Okay, so this time mauuna yung text, and then hatch, and then CAD1, CAD2, and deck. Okay, there you go. And then punta kayo dito sa template, pick this background, and then also click control, and then we will use the color in okay, okay, we will just pick color in, and then cars, and then this only these three. Okay, so and then just click on the CAD1, always in CAD1. When you make this, right click, duplicate layers, and then choose CAD1. Okay, so nandito na sila. Ayan, ito na sila. So hide this first, car, and then the background, it should be here. Okay, and then we'll just start to create the color floor plan or the materials, applying the textures. Okay, so now just we'll just use we'll use the these colors here. In this floor plan, we will not be using seating. Okay, we can delete this. And sauna, there is no sauna here. And then cabinets, I think we make cabinets. This is for the flooring, which is we the meaning of horizontal or vertical is depende sa floor plan na paggagamitan. So in this type of floor plan, we will use the vertical kasi mas mahaba yung vertical part niya. Okay, so we can just delete this and then unhide, and then go back to CAD 1. Okay, unhide this first. We will click on this part where we want the flooring. Okay, okay. So in this floor plan, we will use we will use wood floors on the most part of the house. Okay, so we will also use in this room, and also dun lang. So and then once you are done clicking or selecting the area where the parts are going to have hardwood material, go back to color in and hide the hardwood vertical, and then this is the part where you will need to add where it is very useful. So click on the hardwood vertical material and then click this part. Okay, so it says add layer mask. Okay, so click add layer mask, then you see naputol siya. Okay, you can also try to adjust pala this also. Right click, okay, or double click this part, and then you can adjust the pattern to the scale. For example, 40. Let's make this 40. Okay, as you can see, lumaki yung lumaki yung ano niya, yung sizes niya. So tansya mo na lang kung gaano kalaki yung maganda sa paningin mo. And then after that, you can on this house we will not use carpet. Okay, so we can just leave that. And then countertop is we will use for the countertop for the kitchen counter. So again, go back to layer CAD 1 and then select. For selection, we will use W command. Okay, W command and then magic wand. Okay, so select the countertops. These are not countertops, and then we will also, okay, these are just the countertops. Okay, so balik ka ulit sa color in, select countertop. Okay, ganoon lang ulit, repeat lang yung ano yung gagawin natin. And then tile, mostly ginagamit siya sa bathroom, pero dito naka wood lang siya, wood tiles lang siya. So let's just wood in here. Okay, so dito for concrete wall, we'll just use that for the walls that are not cut. But dito parang walang ganun. Oh, maybe ito. Pwede to. Balik ka ulit sa CAD. Select mo tong wall na to. And then, color in again. Concrete wall. Add layer mask. Okay. So, concrete garage. So, meron siyang carport. We can also we will also repeat the process. So ganoon lang, ulit-ulit lang. Ayan. Tama ba? Yeah, we'll use this material for the carport. Concrete garage, okay? So again, unhide, add layer mask. Parang di lumabas yung material texture. You can just disable this. Why? Okay, check ko lang delete layer mask. So let's check ulit. Oh, okay. Hindi siya yung sa concrete garage. So I think sa color out siya. Okay. I think I have to add this driveway paver. So duplicate layer again. Select CAD 1 and then okay. So ito na siya. There. Ito dapat pala yung ginamit natin. Okay, so balik ka sa CAD 1. Okay. And then color in, go back to drive paver. Okay. Add layer mask. Okay. There you go. And then we will not use concrete garage. Concrete finish, we will not use this. Water is we will use for the area where is wet. So we will just use this. Go back to CAD 1 layer, and then select these parts. So we will also select the shower. Yes, this part. And then this one, the sink or the laundry sink, the lavatories, the kitchen sink, also this one, the bathtub, and then also the shower, and then also the kitchen sink, also this one. Okay, once you're done, again back to the water and then add layer mask. So there. Okay, and then once you are done, okay, meron tayong di nasama. So we'll use this layer sa color out. Oh, okay. I almost forgot. Okay, we will not use this. We will not use this. Nakalimutan ko pala na yung deck na ito is, or the driveway is used for the decking also. So duplicate this layer. Okay, sorry. Hindi pala yan. Sa color in tayo. Color in. This one, concrete garage. Punta ka sa layer nito. And then duplicate layer. Select CAD 1 and then okay. So select CAD 1. Select this deck layer. Okay. And then also this one. These ones. Yan. And also this one. So okay. And then also this one. These steps here. So go to concrete garage and then add layer mask. Okay. So once you're done, where is CAD 2? Actually, this color in should be below the CAD 2. Okay. Yon. So nakita na yung mga door. Okay. And then also this deck is should be here. So yan, medyo hindi siya kita. What we're gonna do with the deck. Maybe we can just color overlay and then choose white. Okay. Okay. Yan, para lang meron siyang lines yung deck. Okay. I think hindi na kailangan ng okay, we will also use the cabinet layer. So back to CAD 1. Select cabinets. This one, this cabinet. Okay. So ulitin lang ulit. Add layer mask. Okay, yan na. So yun lang, ganun lang. And then balik tayo sa app. And then next natin is yung site plan. Okay. So ganun lang ulit. Ganun lang ulit. Go to site plan. So ito yung mga PDF kanina. So again, open this to Photoshop. Okay, let's just close this one. Open this to Photoshop. And then okay. And then again, open this CAD files here, and then always media box. Okay. Okay, enter. Okay. So again, for the site plan, choose this one. select this one, rectangle, the roof, the trees, and then yung cars pala nakalimutan natin kanina. For example, ito wala pa yung car halimbawa. Ayan. Ayan. So just go here, select this one, this car, and then shift, okay, to select both. Or kaya this group layers, duplicate, and then select again to this one. So ayan, nandito sila, and then Control T, and then adjust. Okay, adjust this per kung mapapansin nyo yung may guide siya kanina yung lines na yun. Okay, so there you go. Okay, ganun lang kadali. Okay, so yan. Now sa site plan naman tayo. So pag site plan, select mo lang yung cars, trees, roof, shift select cars, trees, roof, flowers, color out, and then the background. Okay, duplicate, text, hatch, no hatch, roof, deck, CAD 1. Okay, okay, duplicate layers, select CAD 1. Okay, okay, so hide, and then the background, unhide the background, and then the deck. So unahin natin yung roof. Okay, so punta ka ulit sa CAD 1, select the roof. For the roof, there is two types of colors, kaya dalawang hue yan para mas magmukhang 3D yung roof. Okay, so for CAD 1, select this, the roof, select this one, and then this one. Mali. Kapag yung light color, okay, parang ganito, di ba? So top and left, bottom and right. Okay, so top, left, no, select roof, top, left. Okay, this is also left, and then this is also left. Okay, okay, tama na. And then punta ka sa roof light, ganoon lang ulit, add layer mask, and then select again the roof, bottom right. Okay, okay, so go to the roof dark, and then unhide there, ganun lang. And then for the deck, again we will use this color. Okay, cover deck. Also pala, for the cover deck, we will use the lighter color. Okay, select this one, and then select nyo pala muna to, add mask to selection, and then delete, right click, delete layer mask, and then ulitin nyo lang ulit. Yan. Okay. Tapos for the skylight, so may skylight siya, we will just use this one. Okay. Punta ka ulit sa roof, select mo yung mga skylight using the magic wand command, and then again isolate. Ganun lang. And then punta na ulit tayo sa kunin ulit natin yung deck, yung para sa deck kanina, which is yung complete garage. Okay, duplicate, select CAD 1. Okay, ayun. So go to roof layer, select this CAD 1, select this decks, and then the stairs. We will also use this for these layers. Yung mga booth paths to eh. Booth path siya. Ayan. And then also this motor court. Medyo may pagkakaano siya eh. Ano to? Medyo na, yung mga tawag nila sa mga spaces, meron talagang specific definition. So sa atin medyo magulo sa atin eh. Yung kanila, halimbawa yung carport, yung carport, iba siya sa garage. Kapag sinabing carport, parang open lang siya, walang wall, meron lang siyang bubong. Pero pag sinabing garage, covered na siya, both ng roof tsaka ng wall, and then meron din siyang roll-up door sa harap. Ganun yung garage. Pero pag carport, parang ganito lang. Ayan, parang wala siyang wall, open siya. Okay. So, ayan. Ito pa, kasama to sa gray. Let's make this gray, or use this concrete garage layer. Yan, ulit lang ulit. Kapag may na-miss kayo, pwede nyo pang ito, kailangan i-add to. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is select yung layer mask na in-apply nyo kanina, and then add mask to selection, and then punta ka ulit sa layer na CAD 1, and then shift select ulit. Okay, and then balik ulit sa layer ng material, and then delete layer mask, and then ulitin nyo lang ulit yung add layer mask. Ayun, so kasama na siya. Okay, so ayan, punta na tayo sa outdoors. Tol, you can delete this one, and then delete this one. Trees. Ayan, ito. Kahit wag nyo nang gayahin to, pwede nyong paglaruan. So, ito, ang ginagawa ko lang is copy paste para ano siya, dumami ng dumami, para mabilis kang gumawa. Itong trees pala should be on this top. Kailangan nakikita siya. So, pero dapat nasa ibabaw siya nasa ilalim siya ng roof ha. So, for example, ito pagsasama-samahin ko lang. Ang gagawin ko dito is parang ikakalat ko lang siya sa buong property. Okay? For example, ito. Yung palm, close natin. Yan lang. Medyo i-adjust nyo lang yun based sa scale na gagamitin nyo. Yung mas realistic na scale. Ito kasi masyadong malaki. So, yan. For example, yan. Kung okay ka na dyan, yan. And then, saka mo i-copy paste. Okay. So, yan. Siguro, igagawin ko na lang dito is ipapass ko na lang, fast forward ko na lang yung video. Okay. Ganyan lang. And then, unahin muna natin yung after magawa nyo yung trees is pwede nyo nang gawin yung color out. Okay? So, itong mulch is para siyang lupa, pero parang wala siya dito. Wala tayong ilalagay na mulch. And then bush green, we can use this for this part. So go to CAD 1 again, and then select these areas. You can use this on this part. Okay, so just use bush green for this area, and then add layer mask. Yan, ganun lang. Basically, paulit-ulit lang siya kung paano ginagawa. Okay. Kapag sa lawn, yung ginagamit ko is this grass. Okay. So, select this. Select again. Go to layer CAD 1 and then choose this. And pick lawn or grass. Add layer mask. Okay. Okay, and then you can also use this for the yung lawn para mas magmukha pa siyang darker. Select lang natin yung bush or yung grass, add to layer mask, and then add to layer mask nyo din yung bush green. And then yung bush green is ito pala, delete layer mask. Yun, pansin nyo nagmukhang green siya. Okay. And then pag yun, pag may na-miss ulit kayo, select this layer. Ito parang bush din siya eh. So add layer delete layer mask. No. Add mask to selection, and then saka nyo i-delete. And then select nyo muna yung CAD 1 and then W. Yun. And then back to bush green, add layer mask. Yun, nawala na naman. Add layer mask. Add layer mask. Add layer mask. Delete layer mask. Add layer mask. Okay. So yun na. Punta tayo sa pool. Ayan. Yan. Balik lang ulit sa CAD 1. Select this part. Hagdan lang yan. Tapos select pool again. Unhide. Add layer mask. Para mas pagkaroon pa siya ng drama. Para kunwari parang may sun. We can use this one. Select layer, filter, and then render lens flare. Okay. Okay na siguro to. Yan. And then ayun, ganun lang. Kapag dating sa pag outside na ng property, pwede nating ibahin yung kanyang pwede natin i-duplicate tong grass, and then duplicate, delete layer mask. Okay, unhide muna natin. Select lang natin yung outside sa CAD 1. Okay, W. And then, grass. So, ayan. Para ma-adjust mo yung kulay, double click, pattern overlay, and then change the scale to, for example, 50. Ayan. Hindi masyadong nakita yung kaibahan, pero try and try lang. Siguro yung opacity, and then scale, or this one. Ayan, okay. Ayan, magkaiba na siya. And then, ito rin, pwede rin. Ano ba itsura nito? Okay. Select nyo ulit ito. Bush green, maybe we can use this one. Ayan. So, ganun lang. I think okay na siya. So, yung iba hindi na nagamit, maybe you can use this to another project requirement. Pero for now, ito na muna. So, continue ko na lang ulit itong paglagay ng trees. Okay. So, once you are done na, yun na, ganun lang. Can you delete this? And then, you can also use these flowers. Ayan, hindi pa pala natin nilalagay yung flowers. Yung cars, wala na to. Flowers. Ayan. So, move lang natin. Ayan. For example, lagay natin dito. Ayan. Control T. Ayan. Paglaruan nyo lang. Siguro alternate. Ayan. It's up to you kung anong design ang gusto nyo. Pero, ayan. Ganito lang yung basically na ginagawa ko. Control C, Control V. Ayan, ganyan lang. Ito mapapansin nyo, nakataas siya. So, mali yan. I think yung CAD 2 to. Ay, hindi. CAD 1. Okay. Yung flowers kasi nasa ilalim. So, taas lang natin tong layer. Ayan. So, ganyan dapat. Tapos, yung roof pala is yung materials pala dapat is nasa taas. Or yung roof pala is nasa taas nung roof entries. Ayan. Ayan. Dapat wala. Dapat sa pinakataas yung layer ng roof. Okay. Pwede nyo paglaruan kung anong trip nyo. Ayan. Kung ano yung mas magandang landscape siguro. Copy paste. Ang ginagawa ko copy paste lang ha. Select copy paste. tingin nyo magandang composition. Oops, undo. Ayan, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang naman siya. Kadali. Oops. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. For now, ganyan na siguro muna. And then, once you're done, so papansin nyo, lampas-lampas siya. Pwede nyo gawin to. Select nyo ulit yung CAD 1. Select CAD 1 and then W, select sa outside and then select inverse. Undo mo lang. Select nyo labas and then saka nyo i-add layer mask dun sa flowers and trees. Okay? So, punta ka sa group, dapat nasa group nung trees and flowers. Pwede nyo rin din i-group tong dalawang to. So, Control G and then saka nyo i-add layer. Hindi. Tama. Add layer mask. No, baliktad. So, select, tama nga. W, select nyo sa labas. Habang nasa doon ka, select nyo sa labas. And then, select inverse. And then, punta kayo sa group ng trees and flowers. And then, saka nyo add layer mask ulit. So, parang naulit lang din. Ayan, ganun lang. Ayan. So, ganun lang guys. If you want to get the template for this one, both the AutoCAD and Photoshop template, you can see the description below this video. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on the next episode.